what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you just so happen to be joining me for the very first time, thank you so much for being here. My name is Donella, and of course this is my world of makeup here on YouTube. All right, now for this tutorial I decided to do a second beginner friendly color look. Now this one is more so on the smoky side, but I'm going to be taking you guys through the entire process, you know, step by step, from the first transitioning down to the color that will be the highlight of this look, which is the color purple. Now I chose the color purple because there's something about purples and greens, you know, that are very regal, very royal. You know, they have that whole royalty thing behind them. You know, when you think of royalty, you think of like purples and greens and reds. It was actually requested by a friend. She wanted to know how to do a very soft smoky eye, you know, something that is basically beginner friendly. You know, there are different versions of smoky eyes. You can do something that is soft, you can do something that is maybe I should say like middle league or something like that. So we're going to do something that's between middle league and almost advanced. It's not going to be that difficult, I promise you guys. I think that once you know how to blend your eyeshadows together, then this should be a very easy tutorial. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this very semi-soft smoky eye, then please stay tuned. So I'm going to start off by prepping the eye with my Black Opal Total Coverage Concealer in the shade Caramel. Right, so as per usual, you know, I did one eye first, and I'm going to show you guys what I did on this eye over on this eye using my Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette, and I went in with the shades Pumpkin Spice and what is this, Hazelnut. So I think I actually need a little bit more of hazelnut, just like that. I just always need like a neutral color or some sort of warm color just to start off things with. That, of course, I'm going to go into my concealer, my Black Opal concealer pot once again, just to remove the excess eyeshadow which may have fallen on my lid. It's going to be anything perfect because we're not doing any cut crease. As you can see, everything is nice and blended together. So let me just show you guys exactly what I did, and all I did was just basically pat the concealer on my lid just to remove the excess shadow that have fallen down, just like that. I'm not creating any straight line or anything. Well, I am creating a straight line, but it's not so precise like a cut crease. So now that I have the concealer on my lid, I'm gonna go in with these two colors. Both of them are from my Darker Matte stack from Melt Cosmetics. This black color is actually called Darker Matte, and the entire stack is called Darker Matte. And then this is the second bottom shade. This is like a deep brown. This one is called Rot, and I actually went in with Rot first. Went in with the dark brown first, and then I went over it with the black. So I'm just gonna press that gently right here, and then blend it like halfway through. Just press it and then blend it halfway through. This isn't a blending brush, it's more like an angled brush, so I'm not going to get it blended out properly using this. So I had to actually switch brushes and go in with this one. So I actually diffuse most of the brown just like that, and then I'm going to go into this shade of like a lavender purple. It's called Double Shot from the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette. I'm going to go in with that next. And I'm actually going to just diffuse a bit of the brown just at the edge right here. Then I'm going to go into Double Shot one more time, which is this lavender shade, and I actually use that to cover my entire lid with this Double Shot shade. This is actually a really nice shade of like lavender purple, or lavender, let me not say lavender purple. It's really a nice matte shade, especially if you're starting out with doing smoky eye. You really want to play up with a lot of matte eyeshadows because they're so much easier to blend with. And I actually like applying my matte shadows in like a patting or packing motion, whichever one you want to use, because I feel like I get the most color intensity when I do this. So I'm going to go into the black shade, which is called Darker Matte, using a pencil brush. Pack that exactly where I would have applied the brown shade, just like that. Now this black is like one of the blackest black eyeshadows I've actually seen. So I like to go in using very tiny steps, because one mistake and honey, it is gonna be a big mess. Then I'm going to go in using the same angle brush that I used to diffuse the deep brown shade and diffuse a bit of this black as well. And I'm just going to just blend and pack as I see fit. If I think it's enough intensity, then I'm not going to add any more black, because trust me, do you see that? That black is so damn powerful. I'm not going all the way in. As you can see, I'm stopping like right here, like literally right above my pupil. I'm not going any further. And to give it a little bit more of like color pop, what I did is that I went into my Artist Couture Midnight Maven eyeshadow palette, and I used this color right here. This color is called After Hours. I just dipped my any finger actually, but I'm using my ring finger right now, and I just popped that right there. Just basically build up the intensity. So I added, you know, I was back and forth just building it up. Now you don't have to actually add any sort of like sparkly or pigmented shade over the matte purple. If you're perfectly fine with just using just the matte eyeshadow, if you recreate this soft smoky look, then that's perfectly fine. This is just me. I just like to add a little bit of pigment to my shadows. If I sometimes when I don't want things to be completely matte, I don't want this to be completely matte, so I'm just adding a little bit of shimmer to it. After that, what I did is that I went into my Artist Couture palette once again, and this matte purple shade right here, which is called Nightcap, I used that to blend out the edges right here. And then right after that, you can choose whatever type of liner that you're comfortable with, whether it be a black pencil liner or a black liquid liner, or just like me, black gel pot liner. I am in love with this. I'm sorry. So I'm going to be using this for like every single tutorial. And of course, you know, I didn't create any wing liner. I just did a regular liner across my eye and then pop some lashes on. So of course, right after that, go in with your mascara and pull your babies out. Ooh, my look just went up a notch just by adding these lashes on. Get some complexion products on. What do I want to wear? Ooh, so let me just add a little bit of my Farsali Rose Gold Elixir before I apply anything. My skin is looking a little bit dry. Now, for those of you who have oily skin, yes, it's really important that you apply your skin serums, you know, your oils, whatever you want to call them, before, you know, it's always a good prep before you apply your makeup. But I did apply some, but for some reason I felt like I just needed a little extra. One of the serums that I've been loving, it dropped, is this one from Farsali, the Rose Gold Elixir. And I know it sounds a little bit, you know, counterintuitive, adding oil to your skin to counteract the excess oil production in your skin, but it has been proven to work. You know, one of the reasons why your skin actually overproduces the excess sweat is because it needs that hydration. So once you apply serums to your skin before you apply your foundation, etc., trust me, you're gonna see a lot less grease. For my complexion, I went in using my black opal foundation stick. My shade is Carab, and yeah, my skin is just looking nice and juicy. So let me just add some concealer and some powders, and let's finish off the rest of this. Right, so I went in with my ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer in the shade Dark 158W. So next I'm going to go into my MAC set powder in the shade Soft Yellow to set my highlight in place. This powder is just as good as Fenty, I swear. Going to get nice and bronze using the Prime Beauty bronzer in the shade Bronzeville. This is beginner friendly. I'm going to keep it very simple in terms of the lip. I'm going to be doing a nude lip. I'm going to start off by using this brown pencil that I've been loving so much from Amuse Cosmetics. This double-ended brown this double-ended brown pencil. Then I'm going to go into this Maybelline Superstay Ink Matte liquid lipstick. This one is called Fighter. After that, I'm going to go into one of my NYX Butter Gloss. This one is Madeline. Yeah, Madeline. And I'm just going to add a coat of gloss right over Fighter. Alright. right, ladies and gents, this is the completed look. This is my version of beginner friendly soft smoky purple eye. Wow, I'm actually really loving this combination between Fighter and Madeline. Ooh, this is really cute nude lip. Wow, I feel like every time I do my makeup and I do a nude lip, I'm discovering something that I really like more and more, you know? It's like now I have the time to play up with all of my nude shades, you know, mix and match just to see what works with what. And this is real cute. This is like perfect nude gloss for, like, you know, dark skin girls like myself. They look absolutely amazing together. Anyway, I'm hoping that you guys did enjoy this very simple smoky eye that is in fact beginner friendly. I didn't do anything that was over the top. Hopefully you guys were able to follow along in this tutorial, and if you happen to recreate it, please be sure to drop me a comment down in the comment section, and also tag me on any one of my social media handles. They're all at MUADonellaD, whether it be on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, right here on YouTube. Just tag me, let me know, and you know, we can all talk about the entire look, because I love when, you know, my followers message me and they want to talk makeup. That is my thing. So that is it for this tutorial. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it, and if you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up on your way out. By the way, I did remember to clean the makeup off of my mole slash beauty mag for this tutorial. Like, for the first time out of many videos, I actually remembered to clean the makeup off of my beauty mag slash mole, you know, and it looks very, 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 but it's okay, it's mine. I embraced it, it's mine, okay? Not my mole. Don't forget also, before you leave, to go ahead and click the subscribe button so you can, you know, be alerted for my future uploads. Until next time, until my next upload, I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye bye.